Hey everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Walmart app not showing purchase history error. But before we start, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our tutorials. And now let's get into it. So in order to do this, we're gonna try a couple of solutions. But before we jump into assuming that the problem is from the app, first you're gonna need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. If your internet connection isn't the problem, then we can try updating the app. So you want to go to the Play Store, then press on to search in the bottom of the screen. And then go to the search box above and type in Walmart and press enter. Once you find the app, press on it. And then from here, if you see that the button here says update, then tap on it and wait for the app to install the updates. Once it's done installing, press on to the open button and try opening your purchase history. If it is still not working, then we can try something else. You want to go back to your home screen and then open up your phone settings. Scroll down the menu till you find the app settings. Once you find it, press on it and then press on to app management. From here, you want to locate the Walmart app and then press on it and then press on to storage usage. From here, you want to press on to the clear cache option and then you can try opening up the app again and reach for the purchase history. If it is still not working, then you want to come back to this page and then press on to the clear data option. Try again, and if it is still not working, then the only solution that is left is to delete and reinstall the app. So from this page, you want to come back up a screen, and here on the right hand side of the screen you can see an uninstall option. So give it a tap, then confirm the deletion. Once the app is completely removed from your phone device, then you can go to the Play Store, locate the Walmart app and press on to install. And I can assure you that one of these methods will totally fix the error of the Walmart app not showing the purchase history. That should be it. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you found it useful and see you in the next one.